So I just wanted to go over product I just purchased. I'm gonna give it a shot. It's a Harbor Freight 1,000 pound engine stand. And it was $99 and I'm on the, what is that? The Inside Track Club or whatever it is. And it's 20% off, so it's only $80. So a pretty good deal if it functions good. I mean, it looks pretty legit from the pictures. So let's put it together. And then also I'm gonna be putting this motor here. Well, let me grab a flashlight. I can barely see in there. So this motor here, it's a 2012 Toyota Tacoma with the 2TRFE 2.7 liter cast iron block. So pretty heavy motor because of the cast iron block. So yeah, we're gonna put that together, get this yanked out of here, and see how that engine stand holds this and if it's worth the money. All right, stay tuned. Okay, got the engine stand all together. It wasn't too bad, didn't take very long at all. The only part that's a little bit tricky is this locking wrist pin here. It's a little hard to get. I don't know if you can really see it. I'll try. But yeah, getting that slid over this rod here. This cap is not there when you slide this pin on there. It's a little bit difficult. So it's always nice to have one of these guys here. What drawer is it in? There we go. Yeah, that helped tremendously to get that on there. Anyways, that was the hardest part, basically. Everything else just bolts right on, whatnot. Seems to... Overall build quality is pretty good. The welds and whatnot, they're fine. But actually, one sketchy part... Here, I'll get this thing tilted over. Is the... This area is kind of a little bit where these welds are at. That's how good you can see that, but it's a little bit thin right there. And it looks great from the outside, but right there. I mean, it'll probably be fine for the motor that I'm doing, but if you're maxing this thing out at 1,000 pounds like it says, might be a little concerning. I mean, kind of, you can see how thin it is right here. Motor I'm doing is about, I think, 380 or something like that. 380 pounds. But yeah, if you're doing a full 1,000, I don't know. It'll probably be fine, but it's definitely it'll probably be fine. But definitely that's the most concerning weld out of all of them. All the other ones look fine. It'll probably be fine. All right, but so when I get the motor on there, I'll do another video and see how it feels. All right. Okay, so I got the engine out of the Tacoma, and I'm using the engine stand that I put together from Harbor Freight. You know, it's good price. Some of the welds, like I was saying in the beginning, were a little chintzy, but I mean, it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine, but it's been working great. Cast iron block, 4-cylinder, so I mean pretty heavy engine because of the cast iron block, and it's been doing fine. Rotates fine. I've had the engine upside down, right side up a few times, so no complaints there. So for a nice budget engine stand, the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh's been working fine and dandy. So yeah, thumbs up.